back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. It's amazing, guys, to be in the kitchen giving your favorite recipes. Long time I don't give a juice. I tell you exactly what's going on. Anyway, today I have some frozen strawberry. I wash off my strawberry and freeze them in the freezer, and now I'm going to be blending up to make a frozen strawberry smoothie. Alright, guys, I have some honey and I have a little bit of water which I'm going to be using. These are the ingredients which I'm definitely going to be used to bringing a lovely flavor to it. That's really nice, lovely. I squeeze a little bit of lemon juice also inside of it, bring up the flavor and make it tastable and nice. But you don't need to put lemon inside of it, you know what I mean? If you're at home on a Sunday evening, or you know what I mean, if you're just there at home relaxing and you want to make something simple, this is what you can do. You can either frozen your strawberry from the day before or for a week, whenever you have time. You just put them in the freezer, freeze them, and you know what I mean, use them whatever you like to use. Anyway, I want you guys to please follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus me, and get your favorite recipe. My name is Chef Ricardo, and I'm always giving you the best recipes, ideas, and things that you can make at home. Sunday day smoothie strawberry. Just enjoy the recipe, you know what I mean. Leave your comments in the description box. Tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. If you want me to make something special, please write it in the description box, and Chef Ricardo will definitely make it for you, me and the team. All right, remember, donation. A lot of people asking me, Chef Ricardo, oh, can they donate to my YouTube channel? I will put the link in the description box, or you can click on the link if you want to donate to Chef Ricardo Cooking Show or my Juice Bar channel. You go straight to my PayPal, you know what I mean. Whatever matter where you have, £1.50, anything you have, you know what I mean. Every mickle make a muckle. That's what my grandmother always said. So a lot of people been saying, Chef Ricardo, we can donate to your channel, you know what I mean. I will put the link in the description box. Thank you so much. We love you. Stay tuned and don't go anywhere. My name is Chef Ricardo. Guys, it's amazing, you know what I mean. All you need is these. Simple. Look at this. Get the frozen strawberry, put them into the Ninja blender like this. And nothing nice like when you put them in your freezer and then like this. All I have to do is just remove off the dry bits, the green bits, and you know what I mean, wash them off first and cut off that green bit and then the frozen. I will show you the next video, which is gonna be coming very soon. Which I'm gonna show my fans them. Oh, I did my strawberry before I even put them in the freezer. Alright? Oh my god, look at that. That is amazing. So what we're gonna do is just pop a little bit of water just to free up the blender, not too much because you don't want to spoil. And all I'm going to do is squeeze a little bit of honey. And that is lovely and nice. And simple. Over your Ninja blender, whatever kind of blender you have. Nice one. And just blend this a few seconds. You don't want to, you know what I mean, because what happened, this is a very quick and fast blender. So what you want to do, you don't want to just zip and blend it. It's just gonna be coming too smoothie, and you know what I mean, this is already soft, easy to mash. So you don't want to over blend it. You just want to get that really perfect blend to it. So that's perfect. All right, you just remove the lid and make you guys can see. All right. Alright, let's see exactly what's happening right here. Yeah, so this is exactly what I'm talking about right here. And I don't even need to taste it because I know 100% this is perfect. So all you're going to do is simple, squeeze this straight inside of your glass, which you're going to be serving into. And you know what I mean, if you're at home on a Sunday evening like this, or you know what I mean, whenever you're at home, you know, you can just make something very quick, easy and simple like this, guys. It doesn't, you know what I mean, it doesn't take long to make. It's so easy because I have this strawberry in my freezer, and all I did is just take them out, cut off, you know what I mean, cut them up and just put them into the Ninja in a glass or something, cut them, you know what I mean, and just get them really Really like this. As you can see, oh, they did look before I even blend it. So as you can see, guys, you guys can do the same thing at home, and I want you guys to please enjoy this recipe. This is from Chef Ricardo. New recipes and new ideas I'm always giving my fans. And Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. I will see you next time with more recipe. Bye bye.